October of 2025, I launched the Legacy Builders Bundle Pack. And here's why. The number one question I would get is, Michelle, when are you launching your program in Spanish? So we did that, and we went even bigger though, because with the bundle pack, it is a full ecosystem, not only in English, but also in Spanish, giving you a global business in 2 different languages. Even though you don't speak Spanish, that's okay. Most Spanish speakers know people who speak English and vice versa. So it just opens a whole new world for you. Now, let me share with you what's included in the bundle pack. Not only do you get all 5 programs in Spanish and in English, you get TikTok shop training, you get affiliate marketing training, in-depth affiliate marketing training, brand deals, UGC training, exclusive AI training. Matter of fact, I want to put it here on the screen so you can see, because AI is coming in hot. But let me share this with you. AI will never take you out of business, but not understanding AI will. So we give you the most innovative AI training, and we simplify it for you. So you always are in the now, and we're going to show you the coolest ways to use AI to simplify your business. Think about this. What if you want to do some faceless content? We have the AI training to help you do just that. You're going to learn how to build and even monetize your own community, how to create your own product and service using AI, even how to create your own product and service. And we're going to show you how to do that using AI to simplify things. The moment you purchase, you unlock 10 income streams and the ability to start earning immediately. You get over $6,600 in products that have the resale rights on them for a one-time investment of only $1,400, plus a one-time investment for your website, which is $69, because you get 2 websites, one in Spanish and one in English. When I created the program, here's what I envisioned. I just don't want you making $12 or $20 on a customer. I love the fact that one bundle pack customer puts $1,400 in your pocket. That is 100% profit straight to you. How many customers would you need on a monthly basis to just cover your rent or your mortgage? See, that's what I thought about when I built this. I don't want you working and getting a customer and going, oh, I made $20. I want you working and getting a customer and go, oh my goodness, I just was notified that I made $1,400. That's the difference, and that's the game changer. And that's the skills and the knowledge you're going to gain to learn how you can attract customers to you.